Welcome everyone. For today's video, we'll be using Midjourney to create stunning professional looking invitations and posters that will leave a lasting impression. Whether it's for a birthday party, wedding, corporate event, festivals, any type of event, we'll explore how to design unique graphics that perfectly match your theme. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help elevate your designs. And now, let's get started. The first step in designing a captivating invitation is choosing a theme that reflects your event. Themes set the tone and create a memorable experience for your guests. Midjourney makes it easy to experiment with colors, styles, and layouts. So let's create an invitation for, let's say, a winter wedding. Picture soft snowflakes, elegant fonts, and a warm, inviting tone. So this will help set a magical atmosphere for that specific big day. Here's how we'll set it up right up here. Example, let's go with, of course, the main detail here, wedding invitation design, minimalistic yet luxurious. Silver, icy blue color palette, has a border, delicate snowflake patterns in foil print. There's the text provided, Emma and Daniel, elegant cursive font. There's the date, for example. And the bottom, subtle watercolor background of frosted trees that add a whimsical touch, elegant, romantic, and inviting. Alrighty, and now on to the image rendering process. Okay, so the prompt is submitted, and now Midjourney will get to work generating several variations. Alright, just give it a couple of seconds. Alright, here is the result right here. As you can see, these are quite beautiful designs. See right here? Although, as expected with using AI to create the rendered images, the text can be a little muddled up at times. But we'll see with the others. See? Another muddled up font right there. But despite that, look at the cursive font right here. See? Look at that. Not only that, just notice the intricate snowflake patterns and the soft silver accents. Pretty stunning, actually. See, this is quite exactly what we envisioned. Although, with four of these images have different designs, we have the option to choose which one we could pick as our idea for our invitations. So, with these results, show how much detail Midjourney can capture. Just imagine how impressed your guests will be when they receive an invitation just like this one. It's not just a piece of paper, it's an introduction to the event itself. Posters are all about grabbing attention instantly and conveying the vibe of your event at a glance. The design needs to be bold, vibrant, and easy to read. So, let's create a dynamic poster for a summer music festival. Imagine bright tropical colors, then bold typography, and playful elements that scream fun in the sun. So, this will set the stage for an unforgettable event. And so, here's the prompt right here. Summer music festival poster right there. Vibrant tropical theme, bright orange, yellow, and teal colors. The palette. Okay, there are features like large, bold, sans serif fonts. There's the text provided. Summerfest 2025. That includes here palm tree silhouettes, abstract wave patterns, iconic musical instruments like guitars and drums. All right, then another text provided, location, and the date. There we go. A little bit of a tagline right there, and a bit of features right there to engage some people. And then another font, dynamic, energetic, and visually captivating. All right, so let's send this off right about now. Okay, so while Midjourney is generating the design, just think about the purpose of your poster. Will it be displayed on social media, printed for outdoor use, or sent digitally to attendees? Well, this can help you decide on the level of detail or color intensity your design needs. And yep, look at that. Let's look at each of the rendered images. See? It radiates summer vibes. The color palette right there. See the tropical colors and musical elements. See the guitar, tambourine. There are the palm trees. It really sets the tone for a lively festival. There we go. There's the bold typography. Yep, once again, the text can be jumbled up at times. Another one right here. See? This bold typography just ensures your message is very clear and impactful here. And another one right here. See? There we go. Another good design. And another one right here. See? Just imagine this poster displayed on a busy street or shared on social media once more. So it's sure to catch eyes and spark excitement for your event. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Formal events, such as galas or fundraisers, demand invitations that exude elegance and sophistication. The right design can create a sense of exclusivity and importance for your guests. Now, let's design one that incorporates luxurious elements like gold foil accents and classic serif fonts. This will set a refined tone and leave a lasting impression. So, here's one right here. Let's say formal gala, invitation design, Art Deco inspired, deep navy background with intricate gold foil geometric patterns framing the text. Right, there's the provided text, the grand gala. All right, there's additional details with an added text right here, hosted by the Metropolitan Foundation. Go. Another date. Sorry about that. Yes, there is a date. Additional text. All right, there we go. And another Art Deco style, luxurious, refined, and timeless. Okay, so let's send this off right about now. And Midjourney is working on the design now. But keep in mind that personalization is key for formal invitations. Let's say adding unique details such as the host's name or a crest that represents your organization can elevate the design to the next level. And so here is the result right here, and look at that. It's pretty stunning. It's like inspired by The Great Gatsby. There are the gold foil accents right here. Let's go with another one. Yep, look at that. Very detailed. It brings the air of luxury and sophistication right here. See that right? See, looking good. See, with the text, even though it's kind of jumbled, it really stands out. See, just think about how these elegant invitations will set the tone for your event. Now, guests will know they're in for something truly special. It's all about making a lasting impression right from the start. See? Look at that. Pretty cool design, I must say. Themed parties. They offer so much creative freedom. A great poster can get people excited and ready to immerse themselves in the experience. Now let's design a poster for, let's say, a retro 80s party. Imagine neon colors, bold geometrical shapes, and nostalgic vibes that transport you back in time. So this poster will be the perfect way to set the stage for a fun and unforgettable night. So here is my prompt. There we go. Same as always. Main detail here. Color palettes. There we go. Added details like geometrical shapes or geometric. Sorry about that. Then grids. An object like cassette tape. There we go. Another text. Another one right here. And another one right here. That'd be vibrant, nostalgic, and full of energy. Okay. Once more, let's send this off. There we go. Midjourney will now create the design. Just wait for a moment. The process might not take long. Don't worry about it. Okay, there. See right here. Okay. See how each design has been bursting with retro charm. See right here. There's the front and center with the party title in there. There's it could be like the date. Same as always with the AI like messing up with the text. Another one right here. This could be like the cassette tape. This is quite an odd graphic, I must say, but I dig with it. And down here, this could be the additional texts, like credits. There we go. Added more event details and what could be like a quirky tagline that could make the poster truly unforgettable. Well, just imagine how this poster will transport your guests to a different era even before they step into the party. So these, it's like a sneak peek into the fun and energy they can expect. And that's how you can use Midjourney to create stunning invitations and posters for any event. With the right prompts and a bit of creativity, the possibilities are endless. Until next time, everybody.